Good morning! It is a beautiful day. It's warm outside. I think it's like 65, 70 degrees out. It's really warm, but it's extremely windy and it's supposed to rain today. You saying hi? So the boys got the John Deere Gator out. We're gonna ride it over to James to help him on the house. Here we go! Look at how pretty. Everything we got done last night looks good. You got all this done, window trimmed out, door trimmed out with J-channel, and window over there. And James won't eat what I made him. Look at what I made him.
I'll eat it.
It's a peanut butter and marshmallow fluff sandwich. I loved these growing up. I brought it over and he was like, I ain't eating that. Anyway, have you ever had one of those before?
No.
You've never eaten that before. Try it, it's good, I promise. Are you serious? Is it good?
I'd rather have jelly.
Well, okay, I thought I would make something cool for you.
Elias, get in here.
Elias, he's out playing in the rain. It's raining so hard right now. We got soaked coming over here because it was downpouring, so I drove the car over instead of taking the quad. And the boys and I, we got soaked. Just getting from the camper to the car, which is like 15 feet. Anyway, it's raining pretty hard though. You can see it here. You gonna play in the rain, buddy? And James, what are you putting up there on the ceiling?
Framing out the attic ladder.
So we're gonna have an attic ladder up there, and he's framing that out so we can put that pull down ladder in. What a nasty day. What are you thinking about that sandwich I made you?
Yeah.
Really? I
Not a
love
huge
those.
fan.
Oh goodness, wish us luck. James and I are going to attempt to put the fireplace in behind me here.
Mama, this got 5 legs.
Yeah. Show us, Elias, show us.
5?
He says this looks like a
Legs.
caterpillar and it has 5 legs. Anyway, we're gonna try to put the fireplace in behind us, and this thing weighs like 600 pounds and it's just James and I, so I really don't want to break this thing because it was very expensive. All right, there it is. That's the fireplace. These are the sides and the innards that we just took off the fireplace. All right, we got it completely disassembled, and now we are about ready to carry it in. So James is working on where to put the blocking in on the edges here for us to put our corbels. We got these big stone corbels.
See that? I need you to cut me a bunch of those, about 1.5 inches.
Okay. Anyway, so we got to figure out where to put those corbels up there and where the mantle's going to go and all that good stuff. So that's what we're working on now. Look at this progress. I went back to the camper to feed the boys lunch. I come back and he's putting this up. What do you call that? Sheetrock?
I call it cement board.
Cement board. Looks good. The rain finally stopped. Good evening. It is 6:30 on a work night, and it's a weekend though. My parents are watching The Boys this weekend, so James and I have a kid-free night. So we are working on the house. Anyway, we're gonna work on putting the railing up behind me here. James already cut all the pieces that you see on the ground, so now I just have to put in all the, what do you call the pieces that are vertical? What are those called?
Why do you show up when the easy work's here?
Whatever, where are you? I can't
All
see.
this was super hard.
He spent like 3 hours cutting all these pieces, so he spent a lot of time doing that. But now he's eating, so he won't be so cranky, because yesterday he was in a bad mood all day because I didn't get him food. Making lots of progress. This is the back of the house. We got that done. And over here, now we're heading over to this side. Okay, let me show you the back of the house here. So you already saw this. We got that back part done there. And then we got these in over here. Just put that one in. All these. And those. So the 3 Seasons room now has all the railings. And James got all this done. All the concrete poured on. Babe, that looks very good.
Drywallers are gonna hate me. Because they're gonna put in drywall up at the ceiling and it's not gonna butt right down there.
Oh well, it'll work. Good morning from the camper. Hi, boys. All right, show everyone what you're doing.
Oh!
We've made a ramp out of this cardboard box, and they're racing their trucks down it. Good morning. It's another day over here at the house. James is at work, and I was at work yesterday, so I didn't get to see any of the progress that he made with, I think his brother John and Brad came over yesterday, so thank you guys for the help. Anyway, today I'm gonna go and look around and see what the progress is, and then I gotta do a lot of cleanup because drywall goes in this week, and I'm so excited about that. Anyway, I'll show you guys the progress. So I'm standing on the front of the porch here. This is what James and I got done late the other night when we were working on the house by ourselves. There's the front part. And then over there, that's the side. Levi's over here playing. Hi, Levi. And then, that's the back that we got done. And if you notice, all of the posts that are in the 3 Seasons room are still wood because these I am gonna stain. I really wanted the mountainy lodge feel for this part of the house, so we're gonna stain all of this instead of wrapping it in white vinyl. So James and the guys yesterday got all the siding done on the back of the house here. So I think the siding might be done on the house. Let's go check this side over here. Yep, it's done. They got the siding done over here. So the only thing we have to put siding on now is the garage, which is really exciting. Once we put the siding on the garage, we're completely done. I love it. It looks so good. Looks like the drywall guys were already here today. Dropped off the scaffolding for the drywall over here. And then dropped off some more stuff over here and here. All right, now I got to get this whole place spick and span so it's ready for drywall this week.
Bye-bye.
It's work night. It's 5:30 p.m. James got home from work. He literally scarfed down and threw some potato soup that I made down the hatchet, and now we're over here working on the house. The boys over here behind me, walking up and down the driveway, and I'll help you, driving the John Deere Gator. And we are working on putting the soffit on the garage here behind me. So we're working on putting the soffit up there so that we can put the siding on the garage this weekend. So that's what we're working on. James just got all this soffit on, making a piece of aluminum coil stock. aluminum coil stock on. It is a beautiful Friday morning. Nice and sunny, but it's very cold. How cold is it outside? 24 degrees outside. Oh, you eating your cinnamon rolls and your eggs? Good. Anyway, babe, what are you doing over at the house today?
I'm gonna be building soffit.
Okay, and you gotta put in drywall catches?
I gotta put in a few drywall catches because the drywallers are over there, and people who tried to put in drywall catches before missed a bunch. So
Babe's gonna put them in, and I'm eating cinnamon rolls. Very healthy. It's pretty bright outside, it's hard to see, but the boys and I are bringing James over some hot soup and some water to drink in a sippy cup because it's the only clean cup that I could find. Whatever, it works. Here's the house. The drywallers are here putting drywall on the inside, and James is working outside. And James is up there standing on the breezeway, putting the soffit in right there. That looks good, babe. You got this whole side done. I'm helping James with the soffit now. He's back there behind me, hanging it up on the other side of the garage. So I'm gonna work on doing the cutting for him. We are almost to the top. We just did all of that. I am so excited. I just got back to the house after running errands with the boys and picking up our money from the bank, and we have drywall in our house. They were working here for a few hours today, and I'm loving it. Look at this. Okay, so this is the hallway, and that is going back into the laundry room, and over here is a closet. So we've got drywall in here. Ceiling and the walls. Same with this closet, ceiling and the walls in here. So this is in the master bedroom. We've got some of our ceiling there that you can see, and some of that wall. And then going back here, all of the master bath suite is done. So we got this part here finished where my tub will go with the drywall. We got all that back in there where the toilet bathroom is, James's closet, my closet, the walk-in shower, and then this is where the vanity and mirrors and sinks will be. Now let's see what James has gotten done. What'd you work on while I was gone?
Put the aluminum up there on the soffit.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, so that edging there is the aluminum that he put all the way up and around. That's good. So we have the front of the garage done now, and that side. Now we just have to get the back done on the other side. So after that's done, then we can finally put the siding on the garage, and then the siding will be 100% done, finally, for the house.